Here are the nominees for Outstanding Sound Editing for a Comedy or Drama Series Half Hour.
The sound editing teams from The Acolyte, Night. Agatha All Along, Darkest Hour, Wake Thy Power. The Bear, Doors.
Okay, let's fire Cavatelli. Let's fire Cavatelli. Fire Cavatelli.
The Righteous Gemstones, Prelude. The Studio, The Golden Globes.
South Saperstein, I want to say thank you to you too.
And the Emmy goes to the team from The Studio.
Thank you so much. I speak for the entire sound team. To our families, thank you, thank you, thank you. We're not up here without you. To our great friends at Formosa Group Sound, Jackie Jones, Jennifer Bowman. To our amazing mixers, Lindsay Alvarez, Fred Howard, Shane Stoneback. Our post-production team, Eric Kissack, Shannon Lawrence, Mike Manning, Mandy Price. The amazing Seth Rogen, Evan Goldberg, James Weaver, and everybody at Point Grey. Apple TV, Lionsgate, and we all crashed on his couch when we moved to LA. Thank you, Sal Saperstein.
I'd like to thank my wife and my daughter and my son and my father and my mother, Joan. This is for my mother, Joan.
I want to thank my wife, Alexa. She's been with me all along, so this is for you, baby.
First of all, I want to thank my parents, Mami, Papi, my brother, my husband, Juan, los amo. To our incredible composer, Antonio Sanchez, thanks for trusting in me. This show was a blast to work on. And for everybody in the post team, this was just an amazing show to work on. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Susan, Owen, and Claire. Emmys.com. Thanks.